back to my channel. Today is the second episode in our Good to Be Home series. Last week I shared with you guys our kitchen, dining, and hallway, and today I'm going to share with you a little bit of our entryway and the living room. Julian is taking a nap right now, so I got all the toys put away for a couple minutes and I can show you what it looks like, well, what it's like supposed to look like when it's actually decorated. So come on in and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. We are uploading weekly so you guys can see every room in our house, but let's go ahead and get started. So the entry to our house is pretty long. I'm going to show you like the front entryway when I show you guys my office, which is up in the front of the house. But this was another kind of blank space where I wanted to do something simple and pretty. So I've always loved this look of like a console table with a mirror over it. This huge black simple mirror is from CB2. It's extremely heavy, but I think it looks really pretty. And then this console table is from Restoration Hardware. It's one of their newer pieces. I got it last year. I love how it's very like rustic and natural with the more modern clean mirror. So I think I'm going to eventually put some more styling pieces on here, maybe do some baskets underneath, but for now we have some cute little pumpkins from Target for fall. And then these candles actually kind of put up for Christmas. I thought it was like really pretty and kind of cozy, but then I just left them up because I thought they were simple. I might add more so it's like really full. These are kind of a mix from different places. The vases I'm pretty sure are from West Elm. And then the candles, I got some from West Elm and some from Crate & Barrel because I couldn't find the exact sizes I needed. But I think I might add like 4 or 5 more and really just fill it out with the white candles. I think it's really pretty. Okay, let's go into the living room. You walk from the entryway right into our living room. We have the stairs to go upstairs, which we have the little gate on so Julian doesn't go up by himself. But the living room, I really wanted this area to be cozy and relaxed. But I still wanted it to be a place where once we put the toys away, it was still like an adult area and felt a little more dressed up since this is technically like our, not like a formal living room, but it's the only living room in the house. So I wanted it to kind of have that dressed up feel too. So we did kind of a mix. Julian is actually really good about not touching any of the decorations or anything like that in here. So I've never had to like put anything away, but usually he does just have his toys out in this room. So this couch we got last year. This is from Restoration Hardware. I love the cloud couch, so we actually got that for our kind of like TV room upstairs, but I wanted something a little more, like a little dressier for this room. So I forget the exact name, but I will link it down below for you guys. It's huge. I think it's 10 feet by 10 feet. It's just really big, really comfortable, all white. The white has been great because I can use Shout or like carpet cleaner and get any stain out right away. So if you are worried about having a white couch with kids, I'd recommend like probably just getting it professionally cleaned once a year. But another thing that we have done kind of in the beginning when we were super cautious about it is I bought big white blankets from Target and they covered both of the seats here, and I just like tucked them in like you would a sheet, and that really protected the couch. But you know, we just keep it to like dry snacks in here. We don't have like colored juices or like anything like that in here. So if anything, it's just crumbs or like easy little things. I would say honestly it's harder to have white furniture with a red dog than it is a 2-year-old. But yeah, we love this couch. It's super comfortable. Claire and her team did all the pillows, which I think are really pretty. I love the neutral tones. And then this blanket is a really cozy blanket from Jenny Kane, which I love. So I picked out this coffee table the same time I saw the couch. It was actually another newer piece from Restoration last year. When I got the catalog, it showed like this coffee table or a very similar one with this couch, and I just loved the way that it looked. And I kind of, like I said in the last video, it kind of brings in a little bit of that beachy feel while still seeming kind of like natural and organic, which is the look that I like. So this is really cool. It's like a seagrass material. I get a lot of questions and compliments on it because it's just something unique. It's really big. It's great for kids because they can't really mess it up. It's soft, like it's kind of like a big bean bag in here. So like if you were to bump on it or anything, it's not hard. You can't really hurt it. So I love this table. And on top here, we just keep it pretty simple. This little bowl with some moss, a couple little decorative books, and then a little tray for our coasters. So moving along to this side of the living room, over here we have these console tables. These are great at hiding toys. So they're actually just really, really big consoles, and they come with a little shelf in there so you can kind of just store your books or whatever. But if you keep a lot of toys that you just want to be able to easily hide, these are perfect. What's also great about them is they're just kind of like push to open. So Julian can open them himself and get his toys in and out really easy. We have the curtains. Again, all the curtains are from Loom Decor, like I mentioned in the last video. We went ahead and did the same curtains throughout the whole house. I love the way they came out. I love the black rod. And so on top of the console tables, we just have it really simple. Claire actually did all of this for me, so really pretty vase with the lamp. And then this I bought last year from Urban Outfitters. It's a really cute frame for like mini Polaroid pictures. So we took all these pictures the week we moved in. The top row is like our old house, our last night we lived there, and then moving in, and then our family coming to visit the first week that we lived here. So it's kind of a cute little like memory to keep. So on this side we have the same credenza, but I do have these two big baskets. These are from Studio McGee, and they fit in here perfectly. They hide all of the toys, and then in the morning we usually just open this up, bring them out. Julian can play with them all day. We throw everything in there at night and put it away. It's super easy to hide everything. Again, just some like simple decorations and stuff up here. I'll try to find the original or similar pieces for you guys and link everything down below in the description box. And then out here is just our patio. So I don't want to mess up the light, but yeah, it's just our patio out there. So this is really nice to kind of have some privacy. And then we also have this really big rug that's kind of like black and white and neutral. So I wanted to get this TV right away as soon as we moved in. I knew it would be perfect for this space. It's by Samsung. I think we got it at Best Buy. None of this stuff is sponsored in any of these videos. We bought it ourselves. I think it's really cool. It's called the Frame TV, so it's made to look kind of like art. So like I said, this is our more formal living room, and I didn't always want it to look like a TV. So you can put whatever art you want up there. It comes with maybe like 50 to choose from, and then there is a subscription, I think, where you can like pay for more. I think they had quite a few good ones that just come with the TV. This is one of them. So I usually just switch it back and forth depending on what I'm in the mood for, but I love the black and white. Julian loves the horses on this one, so it's really pretty, and it kind of ties in the black from the fireplace, and then you choose whatever color frame you want. So I did the light wood. And then finally, we needed some more seating in this room. I think these chairs are really, really cool. They're kind of that like Busel or Busil, whatever, I don't know how you say it, but kind of what's in style right now. They're really soft, cozy chairs. And then on the back, they're actually really pretty. I'll have Michael insert a clip so you guys can see they have really pretty spindles. So just nice chairs to add some extra seating. And then we have just this little table so you can put your drinks down with the coaster, and we can kind of keep remotes and stuff on here. So now you guys have officially seen pretty much this whole living area. If you didn't check out last week's video, I'll have that link down below so you guys can see the dining and the kitchen and everything. But we love how it came out. I feel like everything just really flows. It's really comfortable and relaxed. If you guys want to see our house hunting series or my organization series, I will have that linked down below, as well as the other decorating video. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I have my office tour coming up, master bedroom tour, so you don't want to miss out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, just in case you don't get notified on YouTube. I always post a story letting you guys know when new videos are live. I post lots of fashion and beauty stuff over there as well too. So stay tuned, subscribe, and follow me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.